What's that sound, YouTube? Is that detonation? Is that pre-ignition? Are my valves tapping? Sounds like a diesel. Something is not supposed to be making that noise. And it's a little bit rough. I think one of my cylinders is not doing something good. Maybe because the coil's not doing something good, or a spark plug is bad. Maybe it's trying to idle too low because the MAF sensor is dirty. I have MAF cleaner. I also have a new air filter. Work never ends. If it's not the house, it's the cars. If it's not the car, it's the bike. If it's not the bike, it's me. Always something.